Welcome to a tutorial on object identification in Picklets.com. This is a little bit more advanced lesson, and you can see I found this beach dune scene with an inner tube that reminded me of a summer's day. And I am immediately in drag and drop mode, and I always go here even when I'm going to write in freestyle mode, which we are, and I go to the nouns here and I look for the nouns that I want to be able to drag and drop to identify parts of the photograph, like beach and breeze and dune, grass, inner tube for sure, reed or reeds, sand, shore. And I've got those written down on a piece of paper, and then I drew a line with the nouns that were kind of given to me, and I added some more. And so in freestyle mode, I'm just going to type in my nouns that I want to use, like dune and beach and beach grass, which is two nouns in a row to identify the grass more specifically. The inner tube for sure. These are all from the drag and drop mode. Vacation, sand. We could do sand dune, shore, and breeze. You can see it's adding them up there as we go, and I haven't placed them next to the objects yet, but I will. And then I added some of my own to think about what other things I'd want to identify in this photograph, like ocean and sky and horizon and waves. And sunlight. I'm just hitting the space bar to move it over. Footprints. Hole. And blur, because there's an upper part here that's kind of blurry. And so it's a little bit harder in freestyle mode to move things around, but you certainly can. Down in here, I would move dune over and have that be generally dune, and I would move beach over. Sorry, I keep clicking on the picture, but you have to click down here in the text box, and so I've moved beach over. Sort of generally, you can eyeball out how far it goes by letting go of the space bar and see, yeah, here's the beach. Beach grass, I could leave where it is because it's identifying the beach grass. Now, inner tube, I'd have to move over toward the inner tube. Get it over kind of generally to the inner tube, and I could hit return. Then I have to move it over again. But freestyle allows you to, in more advanced mode here, add more. I'm going to take out vacation because I don't think there's any object I want to identify as vacation. Sand for sure. I want to identify, so I'm going to move that over a little bit. There's sand with no grass, no shore. You have to copy this and delete it and move it sort of generally over here to shore. We're definitely looking at dune here and just generally the shore. I'm going to take out breeze. I don't think I can identify any breeze here, but yeah, ocean. I'm going to copy ocean, delete it, and then move that off of shore so we can identify that ocean. And then sky, I'm going to copy and paste and delete and move up in here and move everything back. Sky, dune, shore, ocean. Horizon line would be a good one. So copy that and I'm going to get it right on the horizon line, right next to beach. It's kind of fun figuring out where to put the words. And then waves, the clearest part where I can see waves is up in here. So let's see if we can copy and delete that and move that. Whoops. Kind of left of beach. Of course, you want to see if I can get it over toward the waves, kind of under dune. Yeah, waves. I might move that a little bit off so that the viewer could see the waves right next to it. Very good. Sunlight on the inner tube came up pretty well, so I copied that right here and delete it. And I'm going to move that kind of right next to blur. There's the sunlight reflecting on that black inner tube. Now blur I'm going to copy and move up in here next to shore. Blurry over here. I'm going to bring my ocean back. Very good. Footprints, kind of randomly in a good spot next to the footprints. Excellent. And then hole. Copy and delete that. And I can put that kind of right there. There's where my hole is. And I'm just going to move it over toward the hole. So you can see I've got a, in freestyle mode, I was able to generate my own nouns beyond the drag and drop and add a lot more really vivid descriptive nouns of this photographic scene of a sand dune. And this is really the foundation for really good descriptive writing, choosing good, clear nouns that identify the objects and will inspire, could inspire a future use of this lesson would be to use these nouns in a description of place. So I hope you have found this to be helpful, and go out and find your own photograph and create your nouns and identify the objects in the photograph and have some fun with it.